Hi, if you like our YouTube channel, please check and see the amazing discounts that we offer to health and wellness products in our partner shop. You will have instant access to over 35,000 products. Link in the description. Thank you so much. And now
Foods, Sports, MCT oil, chocolate mocha, 16 fluid ounces, 473 milliliters. You can buy now this product at the best price, with worldwide delivery, by clicking the link in the description. Product Overview Description: Weight Management Thermogenic Keto-Friendly Dietary Supplement. InformedSport.com, trusted by SportInformedChoice.org, trusted by Sport. Steroid-free, vegan, kosher, non-GMO, project verified, GMP quality assured, hexane-free. Medium chain triglycerides, MCTs, are fats that are naturally found in coconut and palm kernel oils. They're more easily and rapidly digested than other types of fats. MCTs are readily absorbed from the GI tract and are metabolized very quickly by the liver, where they are reported to encourage the use of fats for energy rather than for storage. Numerous studies suggest that substituting MCT oil for other fats in a healthy diet may therefore help to support healthy weight and body composition. Suggested use: shake well before using. Take 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, daily. Other ingredients: 1% natural chocolate mocha flavor. Not manufactured with yeast, wheat, gluten, soy, corn, milk, egg, fish or shellfish. Ingredients: produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. Now, MCT oil is derived from coconut, palm kernel oil that is sustainably sourced to protect our planet and preserve native wildlife habitats. Warnings: storage guidance: store in a cool, dry and dark environment and tightly sealed original container. After opening, product can be refrigerated or stored at cool room temperature. Caution: for adults only. MCT oil may cause GI upset. To reduce this effect, take with food. Consult physician if pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition. Keep out of reach of children. Natural color variation may occur in product. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.